Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change the notification sound on Facebook Messenger. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on Messenger. Over here you can see I'm here in my Facebook Messenger. Now to change notification sound, on the top left you can find here is 3 lines. Tap on this and over here you can see here is gear icon. Tap on this. Now just scroll down and over here you can find here is notification and sounds. Tap on this. After that you will find this interface. Now to change notification sound, over here you can see here is ringtone. Just tap on this and over here you can find multiple sounds over here. You can just tap on them. You can just tap on them and change over here. So in this way we can change notification sound on Facebook Messenger. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.